Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? You know it, this is your boy Tyree. It's been a while, it's been a couple of months, man. A lot of things has going on throughout my life as well. But back on the Doordash scene. So currently I'm on my drive order. Haven't done driving, like I said, quite some time. So here's how much I'm making right now. But before I show you how much I'm making for this first drive order, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos, you're going to be notified, and give this video a like. So that's going to help with the YouTube algorithm to be recommendation as well.
In a quarter mile, turn left
to view my videos. Okay, when I'm on my first drive, check it out how much I'm earning on my first drive right here, guys. Yes, not bad for the first drive. I'm a little late due to the directions and stuff like that, and
turn left.
My girlfriend over here, you know, she's a little upset. She knew where it was going because I was just dedicating my time to this GPS. GPS was unfortunately wrong, so you know, she was right all this time, you know, right, man? She was.
Don't listen.
I know, but we head into Subway, you know, Subway, and I'm gonna see what Subway is all about. I'm like 2 minutes away, so let's get right to it.
In 800 feet,
Subway,
turn
guys.
left.
Right now, heading to Subway. Heading to Subway right now. Drive order to get things up and running. Hello, good morning, good morning. Which is the boxes? This one right here?
This one here.
Oh, how you doing this morning?
Good, my friend.
This is my friend right here. He's good, you know? So, how you doing, man? So this is I'm a YouTuber as well, so I'm all over the place, you know? So I'm gonna shout you out. What's your name, man? Alam. Okay. Adam, man, you know? They work hard, man. If you want a good Subway sandwich, you gotta come here in Connecticut. Alright, so I got some deliveries and stuff, and I'll knock things out, guys, you know? So making it happen, man. We're working hard out here, you know? Right here, this right here. This, boom. Done. People gotta eat, right? We gotta eat, make things happen. I'm gonna get things up right here. So I'm gonna get back to you guys and make things happen, alright? So stay tuned. Peace. Hey guys, left from the Subway, and good news, when you do good, respectful and courteous, man. This guy looked out with some chocolate chip cookies, man. We're about to grab some chocolate chip, right? That's one of my girl's favorite chocolate chip cookies, you know? So, about to grab, we have some chocolate chip, and he said, be careful, and it's fresh. I'm gonna taste it too. Delicious. Oh my gosh, this guy was right. Freshly baked. You can taste if a cookie's freshly baked or it's just hard and rock solid. If you know what I mean, guys, when you eat something is not fresh, you just want to spit it out. Delicious right now. So highway right now, heading to the drop off. So we got about, I said what, like 10 minutes, babe? Before we drop this off in the back, we got like boxes and got my catering bag. It's always good to have a catering bag, especially doing these drive orders. But the good part is with this delivery, right? I have to go back later on this evening, which is cool. The same location, everything. So I got another drive later on this evening, another 5 hours from now. I'll give you guys on that. So and it's good going back to the same place. So let me Right now we're gonna be there in another 10 minutes, so let's get right to it. Work, and I'm about to enjoy this lovely, delicious chocolate chip cookie and make it happen. So guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? I don't know. I just finished that drop off. The drop off was smooth, easy, and I have to head back to that same location in the next 5 hours. So see you guys in a couple of hours on the second drive order for the same Subway restaurant. So stay tuned. Peace out.
5 hours later.
What's up, guys? I'm back at the Subway for my second drive. It's been several hours, so back at it again. You can check how much I'm earning on this one. Not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna head to the Subway right now and see if this order is ready. So let's get right into it, guys. Right here, I'm going to Subway. Right here. Let's get it. We go right here. Hey, how you doing? I'm here for a pickup for a drive order for Melissa. Yeah, it's for, let me see right here. It doesn't specify.
If you could pretty please put your...
I know I messed up. I did not have a mask. I didn't realize it till I even got into the store. She was very nice and kind, so I went in and got my mask. I had to pick up the order, and I had to wear my mask. I came in the restaurant with no mask, so I had to wear the mask. Got the orders, ready to rock and roll, man. Yes. I don't have boxes like earlier, so let's get right into it. That's right, so see you guys when I get there. Just finished dropping the order off, man. I was ringing the doorbell, no one took the thing. Guy pulled up, opened the door for me, so I'm good, man. Last 2 drive orders for the day. About to make it happen, head home. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe to this channel. God bless and peace out, guys. Yeah.